All right, check out this information. Everyone keeps asking me. I got two cats. Bet, that cat, Lucille, and Black Betty. So Betty and Lucille. Now Lucille, she always grabs her food from the kitchen and bring it to the living room. And I'm like, why? This is why. In the wild, the food is usually near the water. That means the water may be contaminated by other animals' urine or the food or what have you. So if you move the water bowl away from the cat's food, then the cat will no longer carry its food away into another room. Check it. Peace.